Model, 1998 Volkswagen Transporter 1001.9 Td short wheelbase, camper day van conversion body, red, panel van mileage, 213881 MOT, 20 December 2023 engine, 1896 cc E2DOE transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. There is a constant whine through all the gears. It's not that bad but definitely noticeable. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, electric windows, nice rare tailgate model grin HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.